Hey guys, it's Naomi. Welcome back to my channel and happy Valentine's Day! So today I'm playing on Minecraft and we're gonna be building my roleplay school. I've already built one house. So yes, my name is not Steve. Just like so we are going to go into my RP world. Don't look directly at the books, only if you're survival. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a role play. What I'm gonna do is where I'm here and then I spawn in the water here, but I'm in like survival and I spawn here. No, like I spawn here and then like I come up and I'm like, let's go build something today. And then I see the black portal. I'm like, ooh, portal, there's a house there. Let's go up. And then we go up and then it's a road. So then I go on the path and I run and I go, oh my god, there's a school there and a house. It looks like a pretty nice house. First sale $100 or £100. Ooh, finally away from shelter. This is actually quite a small house. There's not even 2 bedrooms. What? Such a And for £100 as well, that's so cheap. But we're just going to go into building the school. So I have 2 doors. Open it and then I'll come down and I'll be like, this is a very small school. But there's not going to be an upstairs. So basically it's going to be a very rubbish school. But I'm not that good of a builder, so don't judge me, please. And thank you so much for 6 subscribers. But happy Valentine's Day, peeps. Or people, whatever you want to call. Now let's put on the roof. So yeah. So there's only gonna be 1 classroom, but I'm gonna use that for more than 1 class. So yes. So everything is gonna be basically made out of cobblestone. But on this side, like I'm gonna build like next door to here, I'm gonna build like a really big house that's for like £1,000. No, for like £1,000,000. And I'm going to like, pretend that I bought the £100 house, but I have 2 dogs. Well, I have a dog and a cat. And yes. So make sure to go check out my vlog channel or my main channel. It's both the same channel. I do vlogs and I do like different like activities. And that, so this is what it's gonna be like. So I've already shown you, but I'm gonna walk along here. I only have 100 pounds. Let's see this big house. That's 5 million pounds. I only have 100 pounds. I'm gonna have to find a job here. And what I'll do is I'll buy it, then I'll put these down, then I'll go inside, and I'll say sold. But I need to put the signs back up for sale. 100, for sale, 100. Okay. So make sure to check out for my next video. So yes, go away, chicken. No one likes you. No one likes you. Go away. Thank you. But I am gonna be in survival, obviously. So yes, make sure to check out for my next video for me building my yep, you heard me, 3-story house. So yes, bye.